Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a pretty neat product, and it's by BASENOR. And what we have here are some trunk storage bins. And these interior liners of these bins are actually waterproof, and they actually also come with these covers here. So when the covers are on, it will appear that your entire trunk is basically, one continuous floor. So these little things fit, on top of these bins here, and help cover whatever you have in these bins. So they're pretty inexpensive. I believe for the Model Y, they're $75 on Amazon, and for the Model 3, they're about $35. So that's pretty easy to install. Really, at the bottom here, it kind of tells you, where these bins should go. And there's an arrow here where the front of the car is, and then here it has a circle where illustrating that this goes on the right side of the vehicle. So, and they're, like I said, very easy to install. Just pop them in the holes and then put the cover on. So let's go ahead and do that and see what it looks like. So let's take this bin here, just check the bottom of it so you know where it goes. So again, the arrow's pointing towards the front of the vehicle, and then there's a circle here at the bottom left corner indicating that this goes to the left side of the vehicle. So, and basically the shape is the same size as the opening down here. So you're just gonna slide this little bin and just press down just like that. And then these little covers here literally just go one way. There's only one way to put them. And what's nice is that they also have these little tabs here, so you can have a section to pull them out later. Just like that. And see, there's that little tab. Now look at that. Look how flush that is with the rest of the floor. Moving on to the other side, the right side of the vehicle. Again, just want to line up the shape of the bin with the opening here in the trunk. Slide it in and just push straight down. Just like that. And then this, again, only goes one way. Also has a little tab so you can easily pull out the little cover later on when you need to access the bin. So look at that, man. That's nice and flush. It looks really good, really clean. Been wanting this for a while, and now it just really completes the trunk and add more hidden storage, if you will. And it just looks really good. The material is about the same. And again, those bins inside are waterproof, so you can keep some cleaning products in there that are liquid, and it should be good to go. Take it a little bit closer look at the waterproof bins that we have here. I mean, see, it fits really nice in there. And then of course, comparing the material of the floor cover to the actual interior of the vehicle, it matches up really well. And then of course, just to be able to put this in, again, just slide it in its place, push it down slightly, and there it is. There it is. Let me look how nice that looks. And of course, the little tab here to remove it and access what you have in there. So nice product, man. This is a really nice product by BASENOR. Again, I'll put a link down in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. For the Model Y, again, there's about $75, and then for the Model 3, about $35. So not bad for what you get. Really nice. This is the right side of the vehicle again, so looks really good. So if you guys found this helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more. All right, guys, catch you guys in the next one.